Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My intro is so weird. I don't even have an intro. I just say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm doing a get ready with me. I know I already have some makeup on, but like, oh, I can't have it sideways because like, then it'll show weird when I put it down. Oh my gosh, what do I do? Do you go here? Do you go here? You'll go here. Okay. Okay, so you heard me the first time. Okay, so I'm only wearing highlighter and mascara, so I can still put on primer because I'm gonna put on like concealer and stuff, you know, and foundation. But this is kind of like a makeup tutorial, and because I'm so good at makeup, and I'm like good at natural look. But it's whatever. Why am I so aggressive? Okay. I did say something in my Christmas haul, but I deleted it because the editing was horrible. Absolutely horrid. Horrible. But yeah. So now that that's on, my gosh. Okay, so I don't like using a lot of foundation, but today I'm looking really rough, you know, like super rough. And this shirt covers nothing. Okay, so you know, I don't like using, I just said this, I don't like using a lot of foundation, so I barely like squeezing it out. I kind of just like dot it on. That's all I need to do, because then I use a lot of concealer. It's like saying, I don't wear foundation, it's super fake, and then I put on a bunch of concealer. I ran out of storage, so I just deleted Prime Video and DoorDash. Yeah. Okay, so it's pretty blended in, but it's not amazing. Okay, now to concealer. I'm back. Yeah, so now it's time for concealer. My little brother just left the room. If you didn't notice his little feet back there. Yeah, he was in here, but it's fine. So I really conceal a lot under my eyes because I have terrible eye bags. And then I'm gonna do a concealing moment right now. I never really conceal. I'm gonna today, because there's a first time for everything. And then when I feel extra, I do this. I don't know what it does, but it's fun. I'm gonna use this brush for under my eyes, because did I already say that I have no beauty blender? This makes me look so white. I swear. I look like a ghost right now. Very scary ghost. And I'm gonna run out of storage soon. So if I just get cut off, then assume I ran out of storage. Because I've already ran out of storage once this video. I'm gonna run out again. But look at how white I look. And look at how splotchy this is. I hope people aren't actually following along, because my makeup's decent, but I feel like go watch James Charles instead. He could give you some actual makeup tips. Okay, now to blush. Okay, time for blush. Guess which brush we're gonna use? This one. I use it for my foundation. And why do you think I keep doing this? Because I have to go somewhere and like clean off brushes. I'm gonna use powder blush today. I'm feeling powder blush. So I'm gonna do that. I like kind of go crazy. Like, and then I look like a ghost right now, but that's okay. Because my makeup kind of whitewashes me. Guess who ran out of storage again during blush? So, wrong brush. Let's keep doing blush, because as you saw, I'm very aggressive with my blushy blush. Okay, so my makeup's almost done. I know, you're happy you don't have to watch me anymore. But it's whatever. Nose. After that, what do I do after that? Does mascara or highlighter go first? I think we'll do highlighter first. I don't even know why I gagged, but that poked my freaking eye, mate. Okay, so fun fact, I was born in Hawaii. I was born on Kauai, in the North Shore. Then I moved to California like a few years ago because the doctors are just better here and there's better education here. But I really do miss Hawaii. I went to a school that was named after my town. Then I also went to a private school there, a Christian school. If you're from Kauai, you'll probably be able to identify this one Christian school on Kauai. People call it gay. I agree. I don't know why I went there. I was forced. But after that, let's do Rare Beauty mascara. It's either that or Sky. I know what this is, but I took off the tag. So, I don't know. It's not Sky High. Okay. That's a lot. After that, I'm gonna curl my lashes with mascara on. Yeah, you heard me. I curl my lashes with mascara on. Is that a problem? Okay, I need to stop breaking out in accents. Okay, also, I was watching the ball drop in New York on TV, and I heard a chee-hoo during the ball drop. See, it's very easy to recognize the Hawaiians in the area. They'll be chee-hooing very loud. Same. My mom's one of them. My dad, not so much. I don't know. So, let me curl my lashes and I think we'll be done. Okay. So, it is currently winter. Ow. But back to what I was saying. It's currently winter and I'm dressed like it's 80 degrees on a summer day. But I just can't wait for spring because I prefer summer over spring, but like spring's closer, so it's like easier to look forward to. Okay, I think I'm done. Peace out, bro. Shaka.